clutter destroys my ability to function well. Excess paperwork, clothing, home decor, all of it wreaks havoc on my focus and anxiety levels. And it's not just me. Our modern lives can be overwhelming. We are constantly bombarded with information, possessions, and responsibilities. The clutter and chaos of our physical environments can take a toll on our mental well-being. But what if there was a solution to this problem? What if there was a way to simplify our lives? Enter minimalism. Minimalism is a lifestyle choice that involves simplifying your possessions and living space. Like many lifestyle trends, minimalism became mainstream only to eventually lose popularity. Many now believe that the trend is in decline. But should we chalk minimalism up to a simple millennial trend? Or is there evidence that practicing minimalism is actually beneficial for our productivity and even our mental health? In 2011, researchers at the Princeton University Neuroscience Institute published a study on the effects of, quote, multiple stimuli present in the visual field at the same time, and competition for what they called neural representation. In other words, they wanted to better understand the effects of visual clutter on attention. The researchers found that disorganized visual stimuli negatively affected performance. This study used images to demonstrate that seeing disorganized things can make it more difficult for us to focus. A cleaner, less cluttered environment may literally help us pay better attention to our tasks. Of course, attention and performance are the only measure of minimalism's worth. A study published by researchers at UCLA's Center on Everyday Lives and Families in 2010 found that the way people talk about their homes can show if they feel relaxed or anxious there. Scientists examined how 30 dual-income couples described their homes and discovered that women were negatively affected by feelings related to disorganization and clutter. Women who described messy or unfinished homes showed stress, while the women who used words to describe their homes that involved nature or rest showed relaxation. UCLA's study focused on language, not objective measurements of clutter, so this study is really about how people feel. If your home feels cluttered and stressful to you, minimizing the amount of items you need to care for could help. While studies such as these can provide interesting data, what convinces me that minimalism is still relevant is the impact it has on my own life and the lives of so many other people. We don't need studies to prove that how we function in our homes matters. In my own home, I feel more calm, patient, and focused when I'm not surrounded by stuff. Minimalism doesn't solve all my problems, but it does improve my mindset. If you are considering minimizing your own possessions, remember that minimalism looks different for different people. You don't need to throw away everything you own. Just clearing obviously disorganized spaces may be enough. Experiment and find what helps you and your family function best. By just simplifying your spaces, you could reduce your stress levels, increase your focus, and feel more calm in your home or workspace.